In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change clothes in Grok AI. We'll start from a quick web search and finish with a clean clothing swap on your photo, all within Grok's interface so you can get reliable, realistic results. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Grok AI. This is the fastest way to reach the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. On the results page, find the link that clearly points to the main Grok domain and click it to continue. Taking a second to confirm you're on the official site helps you avoid lookalikes and ensures everything works as expected. Once the site loads, look for the chat or prompt area at the bottom. Next to where you'd normally type a message, there's a small paperclip icon. Click the paperclip to open the upload options, select Upload a File, choose the photo you want to edit, and then click Open. For best results, use a well-lit image where the person is centered and fully visible with minimal motion blur. Neutral backgrounds and clear garment edges help Grok understand the outline of the clothing, and higher resolution images tend to produce more convincing fabric texture and seams. With your image attached, type your prompt in the message box. Be specific and direct about the outfit you want. For example, replace the current top with a fitted long-sleeve black turtleneck. Keep the pants and background unchanged. Or change the outfit to a navy business suit with a white shirt. Keep the face, hair, skin tone, and pose the same. Details matter. Mention colors, fabric types like denim, satin, or wool, fits such as slim or relaxed, sleeve or hem length, and any accessories you do or don't want. If you only want clothing change, say that explicitly so Grok leaves everything else untouched. Avoid requesting brand logos. Describing the style instead helps keep the result clean. Simple patterns and solid colors usually render more reliably than tiny prints. When your prompt looks clear, click Submit. Grok will process your request and return the edited image right in the chat. This may take a moment, especially with complex garments. Review the result closely. If the shade, fit, or texture isn't quite right, refine your wording and submit again. Small clarifications like darker navy, looser fit, or keep original background lighting can make a noticeable difference. That's the full process. Search for Grok AI, open the official site, upload your photo via the paperclip, write a precise prompt, and submit. Follow these steps and you'll consistently get sharp, realistic clothing changes.